Hi lemonades and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a collaboration with meize. Please check their video out and show them some love. And as the title says, I will help you figure out what terrible study habits you have and how you can stop them right now. The first study habit that many are still slacking off is studying in bed. Your bed is where your body associates with rest and play, and your mind will not be focused enough for you to study productively and effectively. Therefore, what you should do is to get up and off your bed and move to a desk or table the next time you're studying, then jump back when you want to rest. Not making to-do lists. If you're going into a study session without a plan or to-do list regarding what you're going to study, you're not properly maximizing your time. I usually do this on my small physical planner, but you can also use a digital planner apps in your laptop or phone like Notion. Avoiding hard topics. Procrastinating the hard topics will only make you face all of them looming later. The fear of completing so many difficult topics together will then lead to frustration and stress. Once you get done with your hard topics, the easy ones will feel like rewards. Being disorganized. Being disorganized leads to forgotten exam dates, missed assignments, and plenty of stress. So take 5 to 10 minutes each day to put things in order. Do things like write down the tasks you need to complete for the day. Check your calendar or planner to see what events and deadlines are coming up. Clear your desk. Throw away or recycle old papers or brochures that you no longer need. Compromising food, water, or exercise. Download an app if you need reminders to drink a glass of water and eat. An app called Water Reminder is available on Play Store. Quality food, enough water, and moderate exercise will raise your baseline focus and concentration as well as keep you in a sharper state of mind. The lack of these 3 things can induce severe lethargy, your enemy. Finally, subscribe for more.